Hey everyone, my name is Will. I'm with WM Shirley Farm. We are a small homestead, small farm operation. We mainly do ducks, chickens. We sell eggs, day-old chicks. And today I wanted to run through our 3 top favorite chickens that are our personal favorites, and then also 3 top breeds if you're looking just for egg production. A lot of birds are multi-purpose, and a lot of birds are very good at egg production, and there's a few that cross over. But today we'll go through the top 3 of each.
God looked down on his planned paradise and said, I need a caretaker. So God made a farmer.
These are the top 3 breeds that we currently have in our flock. Number 3 is the Buff Orpington. It is a great egg layer, but the reason it makes our top 3 is its great temperament. They are great with kids and are a very laid-back breed. One negative aspect is that they can be broody, and that can affect their egg production. Next is number 2, the Rhode Island Red. These birds are very hardy and are great egg layers. They will do well in almost any climate. Number 1, the Plymouth Barred Rock. This breed makes our number 1 because not only are they great egg producers and do well in hot and cold climates, but they are excellent scavengers, and we have found they eat less feed for the same egg production when allowed to free range. We have had a lot of success with the Barred Rock and love the breed. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video so far, please like and subscribe. We are trying to grow our channel, and your help would be much appreciated. Now for the best egg layers we have owned. Number 3 is the White Leghorn. This breed would be number 1 if we were only considering the number of eggs per week. They also produce large, clean, white eggs. The only issue is this breed is very skittish. Not only do they have the ability to fly further and higher than most breeds, but they aren't known to be very social. Catching them is a chore, and overall we prefer the other chicken breeds on this list. Number 2, the Easter Egger or Americana mix. These birds are great egg layers, and the color eggshells they produce make an appealing basket of eggs. Some say they are a friendly breed, but being a hybrid breed, we have found their temperament can range greatly, and ours never have been too friendly. Now the number 1. This breed is another hybrid and is usually derived from Rhode Island Reds. They are the Cinnamon Queen, or sometimes sold as Red Comets. They tend to be very social and have a good temperament. Their egg production, at least in our experience, rivals even the Leghorn. This is my oldest daughter's favorite chicken breed. Now, there is one other category we wanted to add as a bonus, and that is the pet chicken or kid-friendly category. While breeds like the Buff Orpington and the Cinnamon Queen we already mentioned are really good around kids and can do well in a small urban-style setting, there are 2 breeds we would like to mention that may not be the best egg layers, but are easy to keep in a small or limited flock. The first is the Cochin. We breed and sell Cochin that have a particular color pattern called calico. This breed is quiet, great for people worried about the noise level around neighbors, and they tend to stay smaller in size. They are docile and social birds and can get very attached to you. They produce a medium light brown egg. The other breed is the Silkie. We have never raised Silkies, but we know several people that do. Again, they are not great egg producers, but are quiet, a small size, and tend to have a sweet temperament. They do great in urban areas, and people seem to love them as pets. Thank you for watching our video, and if you would like to see more, please remember to subscribe, and we will see you next time.
God looked down on his planned paradise and said, I need a caretaker. So God made a farmer.